masabi na natin, full stretch.
For sure, it will go
Power of the tongue.
all the way to the third. Now again, this could work to the advantage of Adamson because earlier, you know, we had to take a break because of cramps.
Of
Maru's
Maru
cramps,
Patica,
yeah.
yes. Oh, and a violation caught against Sheila Pineda. Well, both
Unhappy.
players, yeah, unhappy with the call.
See now Maru getting ready to serve.
This time, Adamson getting that one. Soriano serving. Oh, Maru Patica. Again, you know, just playing smart. Although most often when she puts it at the back row, it's often a risk because both Adamson players reading it. Pero yung malapit sa net, nahihirapan pa talagang Lady Falcons to answer that.
And at this point, they still haven't adjusted.
Yes. No remedy whatsoever. Pero yung likod nakukuha na nila yung mga off-speed ni Maru sa likod.
Probably also because mas matagal yung time before the ball lands if it's sent to the back versus the off-speed shots or the drop balls in front.
Oh, and that's going to be a wild one.
Poor delivery there by Pineda. And you know, these errors are just like really causing Adamson at this point. UST so far has just been steady. It's done nothing spectacular.
That's right.
But everything is just well executed.
And Maru, she really wants to go that way. First time out, Adamson was able to read it, but on the second try, no go as UST takes that point and is up now by 5.